Let's take a look at another database called worldbook. This is also on the research page of the library website. Remember, when we open the link, it will take us to the Mid-Continent Library page where we have to click the logo for the database once again. This gives us a couple options. We want to choose the student version, which is right here on the right-hand side. And please remember that worldbook only allows you to search one main topic idea at a time. So for instance, if I'm doing some research on the history of basketball, I would simply search for basketball. It'll open up the main topic right here in the middle. I do want to point out that over here on the left-hand side, they give you some additional resources. So they have some images in here. They may give you some data tables. They give you website links to what they believe are reputable websites to use. So that's helpful. I'm going to go back to the encyclopedia article, and I'm just going to open about basketball. So once you have the article open, this is where you can do a Control F search if you want to look for a specific topic. So if I want to look about the history, I can do a search for history, and then it'll take me to that point in the article where I can do some reading and take notes over my topic. Okay, I'm going to go back up to the top though real quickly to the beginning of the article. At the beginning of the article, there's this little gear button. This is our toolbars. So just like in Explorer, we have different options. So you can save it to Google Drive, you can share it, you can print it, or you can create a citation where it tells you once again where you have found your information from. Okay, worldbook's really easy to use. Just remember you can only search one main topic idea at a time, and then use Control F to search for additional keywords within the article.